looks like the Cybertruck has a new update, 2024.39.15. As you can see, FSD Supervised version 13.2.1 is being released. Okay, so FSD Supervised version 13 upgrades every part of the end-to-end driving network, includes 36 Hz full resolution AI4 video inputs, native AI4 inputs, and neural network architectures, 4.2 times data scaling, 5 times training compute scaling, enabled by the Cortex cluster, reduced photon to control latency by 2 times, speed profiles on both city streets and highways, improved reward predictions for collision avoidance, dynamic routing around road closures with which displays them along an affected route when they are detected by the fleet. Upcoming improvements: 3 times model size scaling, 3 times model context length scaling, integrated unpark, reverse, and park capabilities, audio inputs for better handling of emergency vehicles, improved reward predictions for navigation, improvements to false braking and slower driving in parking lots, redesigned controller for smoother, more accurate tracking, support for destination options including pulling over, parking in a spot, driveway, or garage, efficient representation of maps and navigation inputs, improved camera cleaning and handling of camera occlusions, full self-driving supervised. Alright, under your supervision, full self-driving supervised can drive your Tesla almost anywhere. It will make lane changes, select forks to follow your navigation route, navigate around other vehicles and objects, and make left and right turns. You and anyone you authorize must use additional caution to remain attentive. It does not make your vehicle autonomous. Do not become complacent. Full self-driving supervised is enabled on your vehicle. To use the feature, press the right scroll wheel button once. You can disable full self-driving supervised in autopilot settings. So this stuff is the same as before. Update to data sharing. Right, improve your vehicle's safety and convenience features, such as siren recognition, by choosing to opt in and share sound detection data with Tesla. A short audio recording is collected when approaching emergency vehicle is recognized. Oh, that's cool. So now the Tesla can recognize that an emergency vehicle is coming? Wow. Okay. You can change your data sharing preferences at any time, even if you opt in. Sound detection data is not associated with your account or VIN. So it doesn't detect it yet, I don't think, but it's more to train the system. Okay, camera visibility detection, or maybe it does detect it, but it doesn't use it yet, I don't know. Anyways, at the end of your drive, you'll receive a notification if poor camera visibility is detected. To view these images, go to Service, Camera Visibility. Images do not leave the vehicle and are not shared unless data sharing preferences permit. They are automatically deleted after 2 days. To review your data sharing settings, go to Software and Data Sharing. So yeah, keep in mind if your battery has a lot of vampire drain, yeah, it's usually all this data sharing stuff. So if you want to turn that off, but if you want to help Tesla grow their stuff a lot faster, their software improve, then leave that on and just help us out by paying for that electricity bill. Because I know it's going to cost a lot. Like my Cybertruck uses about almost 10% a day just doing all that data sharing, and the I'm assuming it's about 5% for that, and then 5% for the, what do you call the camera thing, the security, you know what I mean. Sentry mode. Yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. We'll update it in a bit, and then we'll see how the self-driving and other stuff improved. See you guys later. Bye.